What's going on, guys? Aaron here, back with another video, and today we will be showing you guys a step-by-step tutorial on how to build a really nice website design for your leads. What this can be used for is a free value lead proposition in which you show your lead, hey, I just built you a website design, which can then turn into a meeting, and then you get the green light, you get the money, and then you build out the website. This really helps in not only the lead generation process, but can also help in actual build out of the website so that you guys can work on website design that actually makes sense and something that your client can see for approval, and really overall just makes the process really simple and easy. Website designs can be built within 15 to 30 minutes maximum, and especially if you get this process down, you can streamline it to make it really even more efficient. There's a lot of different methods out there in this world, especially with the power of AI, and I'm going to show you a method that works best for me. This document I made as an SOP, and this is a step-by-step tutorial on how to build the most efficient website design possible. And as you may know, every client is not the same, so treat each client a little bit differently. The first thing that I'm going to show you guys is the use of a platform called Claude. Claude is a platform similar to ChatGPT, and what we're going to do with Claude is enter this prompt down below, and this is going to be our prompt that we're going to use and reconfigure into Claude with all the business details of the specific lead that we're working on. Copy and paste this, and then we are going to jump into Claude. Alright guys, so now that we're in Claude, we've just copy and pasted the details into Claude's prompt. As you can see, we're just going to clean it up a little bit so that it's more legible and readable. Now what we want to do is go into the business details at the top here and just configure all the details of the inserts that we need to do for the company so that we can have a really strong prompt to use based off that specific lead. All right, we got all the information in, and as you know, every lead is different, every business is different, everyone has different goals, and what I've done here is just inserted all the information, and at the bottom here, I've also inserted a couple more details about the services that they do. They're not only a roofer, but they also do electrical, which is pretty interesting. So now that I have this, all I'm going to do is click for AI to make the prompt, and I'm going to give it a few seconds and it should generate something pretty badass really shortly. Alright, so now that Claude has given me the prompt, I can just review it really briefly over here, and everything looks pretty good. And what I'm going to do is just download this, and now I have the prompt to open, and we are just going to copy this whole thing literally from start to finish, and now we will jump into Lovable. So Lovable is a AI-powered website builder, design builder platform that you can use to literally put in that prompt for it to build you a design within seconds. We're just going to copy and paste this prompt into Lovable and wait for the design to pop out. So as you can see, everything is just copy and pasted in, and we are just going to click on go. Alright guys, as you can see, the website design is fully built out within literally a minute. It has everything that I asked for within the prompt, has my separate service pages for roofing and electrical, literally like how I wanted it, has the projects page for a gallery of portfolios, the service areas of the places that he serves, and a beautiful contact page. So literally everything I wanted, built out, beautifully built, professional, modern website. So what's next is to make sure that this is published. Publish, and it should be generating us this link that I will then share with a client during our meeting. Once he approves, gives me the green light, payment is sent, I'm going to be using that link to send to the website developer to say, hey, this is the website design that the client approved. Let's build something out with this design. And of course, there's just a couple tweaks here and there, such as, you know, photos to insert. Maybe he wants some changes with different areas to serve. But overall, this is the skeleton, this is the design, this is how it's going to look, and really makes the process simple, easy, clean, and efficient. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you guys got any kind of value out of this, give me a like and subscribe down at the bottom. And if you guys want to see anything new, feel free to let me know. Thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.